Hello guys, today I'm gonna cook pork caldereta. Okay, let's start. So ito na marinate ko na ang ating pork. Takpan na natin ito ng cling wrap. Nalagay ko na lahat ng sangkap niya, guys. So watch this for tomorrow.
So big cups siya, guys. Ninarinate ko na ito, guys. So this is marinated around 24 hours.
Okay? So, the marinated sauce, guys, hindi ko ito itapon kasi gawin ko itong pang-tender ng ating pork. So, after 5 minutes, guys, i-flip over natin, guys, ang ating pork. So,
and you're off.
Flip over. So, bali. Ito turn over. Flip over siya, guys. Flip over. Medium low heat lang tayo, guys, ha, kay bawal masunog yung karne natin.
Stop this.
Bakit ako'y pinabayaan ang ating kinalagyan?
He thinks he can hurt me by using you.
5 minutes. Flip over. Gawin natin caldereta. May caldereta. Okay. Takpan muli. Okay? And another. So this time 10 minutes. So guys, i-transfer natin yung okay, ngayon i-transfer natin ang ating pork sa ating cooking pot, guys, para ipatinder natin. It's our pork. So ipatinder natin ito, guys. So, ang gagawin natin, guys, igisa natin, isote natin yung ating mga spices. So, start tayo ng garlic. Yung garlic, nilagay ko na kahit hindi pa mainit ang ating mantika para di siya masusunog at mag-add flavor. Okay? Mag-add na siya. Remove it from the isusunod natin ang ating So, nag-translucent na siya, guys. Kunin na natin, guys. So, ito, bellpepper. Red and green bellpepper. Potato. Guys, yung texture niya, guys, may na. Okay. Kunin na natin ito, guys, at lagay ng ating may na siya.
So, try it also.
Oh. Dito. Yung sweet potato ko guys, maliit lang. Yung ano, super liit yun. So kaya, inano ko na lang. Sayang naman. So, tapos na tayo guys ng pag-sauté ng ating mga. I will use this one and also our Caldereta sauce. And this one. And I also use this green peas. So, ito. Okay. Maglagay lang tayo guys ng 1 tablespoon of oil. Then, ilagay natin ang ating butter. Ito yung butter natin guys. Maglagay kayo ng butter, you should put a little bit of oil para di siya masusunog. Yun ang dyan. Technique 101, 102, 103. Masarap siya pag may butter. Medyo low heat lang ang ating apoy para di siya masunog. Buksan mo, papasukin ko na. So, ilagay na natin guys ang ating pork. Ito na. Lalagay natin ang ating guys. Kita nyo guys. Nakikita nyo ba ang nakikita ko? B1. So, ito na guys. So, ilagay natin dito guys ang ating mga veggies. That is the sweet potato. Our potatoes, our carrots, our chayote, our red onion, our garlic, our garbanzos and green peas, fiesta na! It's like a fiesta guys. So ang gagawin natin ngayon guys, lagay na natin ang ating pineapple at saka caldereta sauce. Pineapple. Ito yung ating caldereta sauce. So ito guys. Lagay ko itong ano guys, 1 chicken cubes guys. Ano ko insert. Maglagay din ako ng 1.5 cup of hot water guys para ano siya guys. So this is exactly 1.5 cup of water. Para pang ano niya guys, pang simmer. Turn high heat guys para mag-boil siya. Tapos ano. So ano natin guys pag ano na siya guys, 100% boil na siya guys. Boiling point niya guys is 100%. Yan, ano na natin siya guys, i-turn off ang, i-turn low heat natin siya guys at isi-simmer. Okay. Let us wait for the, boiling point niya guys. Para, ano naman tayo ng, hindi naman tayo parehas ng taste. So, yun lang. Stir ng konti, tapos takpan natin ito guys. Para pasukin ako. So, ano na siya, kumukulo-kulo na siya ng so, na guys, 100% na yung kulo-kulo niya guys. Ito, nilugit na natin siya guys, at takpan. So, isi-simmer natin guys for about 1 hour para tender siya. Okay? 30 minutes check. Then, hello guys, nagdagdag ako ng dahon ng laurel or 4 pieces of bay leaf. At saka, idadagdag na natin ang ating bellpepper. So, yun na yun. Just a pinch. Para mag-add siya ng flavor, guys. Kita ninyo, guys, ito. Yun. Ang ganda, no? So, konting simmer na lang guys. 10 to 15 minutes. Takpan natin again guys ha. Let us cover it. So guys, this is our final product. Pork caldereta. Pork caldereta guys. And this is very yummy with vegetables. And now we are going to eat our lunch. Actually, it's about 2:30 in the afternoon, guys. So, I've been cleaning all day. So, I just cook late afternoon. So, this is our lunch and dinner. So, thank you for watching to my channel, guys. And please don't forget to share. And salamat sa lahat ng mga nyo. Thank you for staying by my side. And have a good time. And God bless us all. I hope you learned something from my channel, and I am very happy to inspire you guys to. So guys, that is my finished product. That is pork caldereta, and that's super yum guys, with vegetables. And now I am going to eat. So thank you for watching to my channel guys.